The Maxblue RPWF Refrigerator Filter 2-pack is a testament to the idea that some of the most critical comforts in our daily lives often hide in plain sight. It is a guardian of purity, an unseen sentry standing vigil over the water you and your family consume. This filter doesn't just replace the old one. It rejuvenates your refrigerator's soul, transforming it from a simple cooling box into a source of crystal clear, refreshing liquid. It's like a deep, cleansing breath for your entire home, and its performance is as consistent as the tides. With its sophisticated chip, it communicates seamlessly with your GE refrigerator, so you always know when it's time for a change. This is a subtle yet significant upgrade, a whisper of quality that resonates throughout your kitchen, ensuring that every glass poured is a taste of perfection. Truly, the Maxblue RPWF Refrigerator Filter 2-pack is more than just a part. It's a promise of well-being. Furthermore, these filters are the silent heroes of hydration. Akin to a mountain spring captured within your own home, they diligently work to remove impurities, whether they are sediment, chlorine, or other unwanted contaminants, thereby leaving you with nothing but the essential, life-giving essence of water. It is a shield against the mundane, a filter that ensures your water is not merely wet but truly refreshing. Its compatibility with a wide range of models, including the GFE28 GMKES and PWE23 KSKSS, makes it a versatile solution for countless households. Moreover, the dual pack offers a sense of security, providing you with a backup so that the flow of pure water never ceases. Consequently, you can live with the peace of mind that your family's health is being looked after. And simultaneously, you are reducing your environmental footprint by using a long-lasting and efficient product. In essence, the Maxblue RPWF Refrigerator Filter 2-pack is the silent engine behind your daily hydration, a crucial link in the chain of a healthy lifestyle. Ultimately, installing this filter is a simple act that has a profound impact. Much like planting a single seed that blossoms into a forest, it is an investment in your health and happiness, a small step that yields monumental results. The transition from your old, weary filter to this new, vibrant one is effortless and instantaneous. Consequently, the change in water quality is immediately noticeable. Afterward, every sip will taste crisper and cleaner than the last. In addition, the long-lasting nature of each filter means you won't have to worry about replacements for months to come. Therefore, while you may not see the work it is doing, you will certainly taste its effects. And it is in this subtlety that its power lies. Meanwhile, you can be sure that this filter is tirelessly working to provide you with the best subsequently. The Maxblue RPWF Refrigerator Filter 2-pack proves to be an indispensable ally in your quest for a healthier, more refreshing life. Pros: great value and solid performance, cheaper price than OEM, fits perfectly in GE fridges. Built-in chip worked without issues, installation took less than a minute, immediate improvement in taste and clarity, no weird aftertaste, water flow is just as good, certified for quality and filtration standards, easy to install, crystal clear water, maintains excellent water flow, works well as the original, built well, no leaks. Cons: may not be compatible with all models, possible leaks during installation, durability issues after prolonged use. Features: Maxblue brand, replacement filter, compatible with GE RPWF-E, compatible with RPWF, includes a chip, filters refrigerator water, fits WSG4, fits WF277 to 2 filters included, multiple GE refrigerator models. The Maxblue replacement refrigerator water filter is designed to be a compatible and cost-effective alternative to the GE RPWF-E and RPWF filters. Each pack contains 2 filters that are equipped with a chip for proper function. This replacement filter is compatible with various GE refrigerator models, including WSG4, WF277, GFE28GMKES, PFE28KBLTS, GFD28GSLSS, PWE23KSKSS, GUY22HMKES, and DFE28JSKSS, and is intended to filter drinking water from the refrigerator dispenser. The Maxblue replacement water filter is a great value option for GE refrigerators. It's much cheaper than the original manufacturer's filters and fits perfectly in compatible models. The built-in chip works without any problems, and installation is quick and easy, taking less than a minute. Users report an immediate improvement in the taste and clarity of their water with no weird aftertaste. The filter also maintains excellent water flow, just like the original, and has been certified for quality and filtration standards. While most feedback is positive, some users have reported potential issues, such as it not being compatible with all models, possible leaks during installation, and durability issues after prolonged use.